not it. I've been recording on and off. I got shots. I got shots.
A good shot.
Just do the intro.
I was trying to, and you started interrupting me.
Because I needed to turn the camera on. You want me to just let you go and be like, all right, do it again?
Yes.
All right, do it again.
Okay. Hi, guys. So today I'm going to be showing you how I made this Snoopy sweater dress. So continue to watch and like and subscribe for more. So today we are going to be starting with the back of the sweater first. I kind of have mapped out the Snoopy and figured out exactly where how many marks I need and everything. It comes with 36 on the side, and I'm thinking if I add 10 more rows and 10 more rows to each side, I'll get 56 and it'll fit right, as well as the top one, so the rows up are 45, and I feel like that is long enough. I'm doing double crochet, so hopefully it works out. If not, I will scrap it and start again. We'll see how it works. Okay, so I've gotten my cord, and I figured out exactly how long and it fits on my body the way I wanted to. I do recommend stretching it out a bit, not super tight like that, but stretching out just like a little bit to just make sure that even if it like stretches out more, it's going to fit you the way you want to. At this point, we're literally just going to, I'm going to chain one extra one, loop over, and then we'll go into the second stitch, and we're going to double crochet all across, all the way up until we get to 45 stitches. So, okay, so I'm gonna take a quick little ramen break, but I did want to come and show you how much I gotten done. I don't know how many rows this is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Gotten 8 rows done, but I did have to take it all down and redo it all the way from the second row. So I've done a lot. Okay. Guys, I've officially done one whole skein of yarn. Make a little tiny piece. Get a little tiny piece. And so I'm starting on my next piece. I'm still doing the back. I think I have like 2 more rows to go. Like, it's not a lot. So I'm kind of sad that it couldn't go all the way. I really wanted it to go all the way and complete the whole back piece with that. But this is the biggest piece I gotta make. So I'm almost done. And it's what time is it? It's 9:18, okay? Almost 12 hours worth of work on this. So I'm excited. I got my partner in crime, Ella, who does not want to go to bed, but I do want to show off the crochet for today. This is where we are. This is where we are. It looks amazing. We did just the bottom of Snoopy right now. We're covering his foot and a little bit of his tail. You see that little bit of his tail, that little bit of black? I said I was gonna stop, okay, because I've been crocheting all day. At 11, it's 11:08. I don't want to put it down. And this is the problem. Why would I crochet so much? Because I love it. It cleaves my brain. What am I watching right now? The Camaro show. I don't even know, but I'm watching it, and it's good. You know, it's giving me the feels. But I think I might have to stop. Yeah, don't mind the fact that I got this blazer on. That's what's called, a blazer on. It was cold, and it was the first thing I could find. Okay, but I did want to update you. Is Snoopy in? Is Snoopy in?
So far.
Okay, can you see that's a foot, that's a foot, one foot, 1, 2. That's an arm, that's his tail. So we getting somewhere, I'm on row 12 for the whole project. So we getting there. We got 45 rows all together. Again, I'm gonna show you my reference grid. And you can essentially, I'll show you the techniques that I'm using. But you just get a grid and work off that, and make sure you have all the colors you need. And it's actually a pretty simple process. Once you figure out how to do one grid,
we can put links to the grids.
Easy to do a bunch of them. Yeah, because this one I got off of Pinterest, and it was literally it was on Pinterest. But you know, Pinterest, you get the hyperlinks. You can go to somebody, you click the image, and you get another link, and you go into the link, and it's just the image. So I didn't have to pay for it or anything. And it's a bunch of them. So everybody, you know, Pinterest is where the ideas at. Okay, I just wanted to show y'all. I'm getting further. It's so cute. Okay, so what I'm going to be showing you guys is how you actually add new yarn in, and then how you actually do the color change. I did go in and actually cut off of my threads, all three: the white, the black, and the purple are all cut to show you what I'm about to show you today. So for this row, we're using our grid to figure out exactly where we need to place things. I am on this 10. See that? That is the row that I'm on. And so this row is actually exactly like the row before it, which is great because then I could just use the row before it to map out where I need to go. This time we're going to be on the side of the strings, but either way it's the same thing. The only thing is that if you're on the opposite side, you just want to make sure you pull all your strings to the string side. We're gonna start with a double crochet. My piece is small. So since we're starting with a double crochet, I did the first loop, but I've stopped there where I'm supposed to loop back around and pull through. I'm not gonna do this. I'm instead gonna grab colors. They were a little tangled up because I've been color changing on here this whole time. I'll grab that, get close to the end. I want the piece to be about as long as my other tail is. Put that in my hand. Loop that around instead. Go back in and pull through. And then keep the ends gathered together. Hey guys, so I'm trying to show y'all what I'm doing for the arm to like figure it out. And literally I took the thread that I already like the yarn piece, and I just, while it was on me, and it just feels like solid. I'd already pinned it in there. And I'm gonna put this sleeve on, and I'm gonna try to do the same thing I did on this side, on this side. Can I be honest with you?
What's that?
I got one sleeve on, but I'm scared to put the other sleeve on.
Why?
Because, like, what if I don't do it right?
This one, right?
I mean, did I? I just been winging it.
I don't think there's anything wrong with what you're doing.
Winging it. I think I'm gonna just try to do the same thing on the other side. And then stitch it down. And I'm gonna come back. Nothing wrong? You said it was nothing wrong? Right? Nothing.
I don't see anything wrong with it.
I put the sleeves on. 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 That looked really cute. Really cute. And so I have this neck piece that I made. It's a separate video. It's already been posted. So check it out right there, right there. Check it out. But we're gonna attach that. And then we can do our final look. Then we can do our final look. And I'm gonna show you the pictures I take. Try not to fall.